In today's data-driven world, businesses need powerful tools to transform raw data into actionable insights. That's where Power BI steps in, offering a suite of benefits that empower organizations to unlock the full potential of their data. Imagine having the ability to create rich, personalized dashboards tailored to your unique business needs. With Power BI, you can visualize data in a way that's meaningful and intuitive. And when it comes to sharing those insights securely, Power BI has you covered. With secure report publishing, you can rest easy knowing your data is protected every step of the way. Gone are the days of dealing with memory and speed constraints. Power BI supports advanced data services, ensuring you can extract intelligence rapidly and accurately, no matter the size or complexity of your data. But what sets Power BI apart is its balanced simplicity and performance. You don't need specialized technical support to harness its full potential. Its intuitive interface makes data analysis accessible to everyone, and perhaps most importantly, Power BI integrates seamlessly with your existing applications, streamlining your workflow and maximizing efficiency. Unlock the power of your data with Power BI. Try it today and take your business to new heights. Contact Infocom to learn more and get started on your data journey. Infocom. Partner for your success.